SBI Cards declined by about 5% on Friday's trade. However, this morning it's up about 1% or so. Overall, I mean, in the last 6-7 months, we have seen quite a bit of corrections set in for the stock. Is down about 17-18%. Year to date also it's negative. How is this stock looking on the price charts? Is it a good time to buy, considering we have seen significant amount of correction taking place over the course of the year?
So SBI Cards has been moving in a downward trending channel, and until and unless we see a breakout of this channel, we are not going to see any big up move on the upside. There will be a bit of pullback rally that we may see, but it gets sold into. And even in for the short term trading, if we see on the weekly charts, there has been a bearish engulfing pattern. And for this, the target on the downside comes to somewhere around 710. So just for small gains, small trading ideas, a very short term, ultra short term trading perspective, we can buy the stock at only if it comes somewhere around 710, and for a very small target of around 750, keeping a stop loss of 700. But otherwise, for the long term, for as an investment purpose, I don't think we are still out of the woods, so we can avoid this stock.
Not out of the woods for SBI Cards. But ma'am, another stock, among the financials was Bajaj Finance. Has been under fair bit of pressure. On Friday, we saw a correction of about 2% or so. In the last month, as I can see, it's down by about 8.5% or so. But, given, the kind of returns Bajaj Finance has given over the last 5 years, I think it's up almost 200% in that time frame. Is this the dip that investors can perhaps add positions or build on for Bajaj Finance?
So Bajaj Finance falls into those category of stocks which, when they move up by 8 to 10% up or down either ways. So we see a continuous movement of 8 to 10% whenever the trend begins. So as of now, it's in a under selling pressure. On the downside, the supports as per the options data, it is at 7,000. But technically, there's a good support level at 7,100. And it is definitely a very good stock as far as a portfolio consideration is there. So from a investment purpose, we can add the stock in our portfolios. From a trading perspective, one should wait for at least 7,100 level to re-enter, and for short-term trading purpose. So it's definitely a good stock. Yes, we have seen some correction, but that correction will find support at around 7,000.
All right, that's the view on Bajaj Finance.